Hello, I hope you're great. Today I will show you a little tutorial how to fix your widget, or if you reinstall or fix. As you see, my widget don't work. If I now restart PC, it will be only like a book. This is stay like party sunny because that I was doing it only that I can show you if you have problems that your widgets don't work. Sorry. And now I will show you how to easy fix that. As you see, no way that work. And first of all, what you do, go to CMD and run as administrator. Have one command and uh, that's it. Have one command, and I will leave you in the description. And just Shift and V. And as you see, widget uninstall, and just click yes, and just wait a minute, and see now our widget will be uninstalled, and they will not work. Machine because my now as you see they will not work. And now how to fix that? We go to here on the restart our PC to Microsoft Store and open Microsoft. So this, I just click here and experience pack. It will be open. Sorry, and you will see that is not installed. As you see, it not installed, and it will, for search highlights and for search it always don't work properly. And install, and now open Microsoft Store and install Experience in the Web Experience pack. Just wait. And now we see that in install, and we can close that. See install. Let's check it. We see install on our programs. If we go, but install is for sure. And now, as you see, widgets work properly. A second, it's a refresh, and as you see, now it's work. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.